This replant completely replaces chicken feed and reproduces indefinitely, also makes it a nutritious salad. It's the moringa plant. And we can even make salads with it. We can make potato salads or use it with grains and beans and nuts for summer salads, with spinach, chopped watermelon, crumbled feta cheese, chopped almonds, and more. But it also makes a very cheap and nutritious chicken feed. I would also say animal feed as well. There are 5 productive plants that naturally replace expensive chicken feed. The moringa tree contains 27% protein, and this perennial comfrey lives for decades. It's a fast-growing aquatic fern azolla also, the cold-resistant fodder kale, and the self-sowing amaranth. And we can learn how to grow these plants and how to harvest them substantially, and how to create a self-feeding system that will save hundreds of dollars a year while providing excellent nutrition, healthy nutrition, and productive, even for our animals, for example, chickens. And we can stop buying expensive commercial feeds. So these 5 plants grow on their own. They regenerate after every harvest and provide complete nutrition for chicken flocks year-round. And starting now, with just one plant, building a substantial economical resilient system that will last for years without the need for replanting or constant maintenance. And as we said, it's even beneficial for our nutrition. Supposedly it grows freely, and I'm trying to find out where I can see it, but I'm not a botanist, so I can't understand which leaves are the moringa. The Moringa oleifera plant is one of the most nutrient-dense plants on Earth. It's often called the miracle tree. Its leaves are rich, natural multivitamins packed with vitamin A, B, C, and E, and it's essential mineral like calcium, iron, and potassium that it contains as well. The moringa leaves can be consumed fresh, in salads, or cooked like spinach, or even dried and ground into a powder. And the key vitamins that it has are vitamin A or beta-carotene, promoting vision, immune function, and fetal growth. It also has a lot of vitamin C, protecting the body from pollutants, acting as antioxidants and supporting immune health. It has vitamin B6 and riboflavin B2, helping maintain energy-yielding metabolism and reducing tiredness, supporting the nervous system health. And vitamin E, acting as an antioxidant to protect cells from oxidative stress. And along with vitamins, moringa is celebrated for containing all 9 essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. So it makes it highly beneficial for vegetarians and athletes. It also is an excellent source of iron, helping to combat fatigue. And how to use it? We can wash the leaves, tossing them into our daily meals like soups, curries, or stews, and fresh salads as well, or even brewing it into tea. So for a comprehensive breakdown of the nutritious profile and health benefits, such as blood sugar regulation and anti-inflammatory properties, we can check out Healthline Nutritional Guides or Medical News Today. So even though it's highly nutritious, it's always best to consult, of course, your doctor or registered dietitian before introducing new supplements into our diets. But this is amazing because of the fact that it's so good for feed for animals. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.